Hello and welcome to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a personality quiz using THEWPBRO Quiz Maker plugin. And without wasting time, let's get started. Now, before we start this tutorial, what we're going to do is to just see a demo of how a personality quiz works. So here is a quiz that I created, and the title of this quiz is "What is your vibe?" And it says, take this short quiz to find out what kind of energy you naturally bring to the room. Are you the calm one, the go-getter? Let's find out. Now, let's click on Start. Alright, if you had a playlist, it would be which one? For me, it is going to be a mix of everything. Click on Next. And if I'm to pick a drink, I'll go with just water. Next. And how do my friends describe me? Well, I'm friendly and easy to talk to. Move on to Next. What is my style? I like it chill and low-key. And next, what do I usually do on a free weekend? Well, I prefer to chill at home with movies or games. Now click on See Results. And here is my personality. I'm the chill vibe type. And you can also decide to share this on LinkedIn, Facebook, or Twitter, which is now known as X. And you can also decide to click on this restart quiz to take the quiz all over again. So if you want to learn how to create this, stay along with me in this video and let's create this personality quiz together. So first thing needs to do is to get the plugin called Quiz Maker, and for this one we're going to be needing the pro version. To get the pro version, click the first link in the description below and you'll be redirected to this website where you're going to get the pro version of this plugin. Now we're going to be using the Quiz Maker plugin, and we have three plans here. We have the business, we have the developer, and we have the agency. Now you can just choose the one that is going to work best for you. For example, you can see all the features that are available in the business version and the ones that are available in the developer versions. Now you can see the ones that are not available. So in case you need any of these features, just move on to the next plan and then probably move on to the highest plan that we have here, which is the agency plan. And also note that this is a one-time payment. So if you're going with this first plan, once you pay this $59, that is all you need to pay forever. You continue to receive free updates and free patches to this plugin. And if you decide to go for the second one, it is $195, and then the last one is $355. So whichever one you decide to choose is okay, because we have this feature that we need, personality quiz. We have this feature in the theory of all these plans, in all the theory of these plans. Now what we're going to do now is to just come to our WordPress admin area, and before we come here, let's say you want to pick a plan to buy. Just click on this buy now button, and you're going to put in your details here: your first name, your last name, email address, your country, and your password, your payment method, be it PayPal or other cards that you might be using, and then click on checkout. And then you're going to have access to download the premium file for this plugin. I already have it, so I'm not going to be taking this step all over again. So now what we need to do is to come back to our WordPress admin area, and then we're going to come to plugins and select add new plugin. So once we've downloaded the premium version of the plugin from your website, we're going to click on this upload plugin and then click on choose file. Now I'm going to choose the file for this plugin, and I'm going to choose my premium plugin here and click on open, then click on install now. So it says the plugin has been installed successfully. Now what we're going to do is to click on activate plugin. Alright, so the Quiz Maker plugin has been installed and activated. So what we need to do is to come to Quiz Maker, and let's first start from quiz categories. And now before we move on to the rest of this tutorial, if you want to learn in depth about this plugin, if you want to learn how this plugin works, I already made a full long tutorial on how to use this plugin to the maximum. So I'm going to link the video up in the card above and down in the description below for you to watch after you're done with this tutorial. So that is going to teach you some of the options and the settings that we're not going to be talking about in this tutorial. So for a better knowledge, I will recommend you watch that video also. Now to create our quiz category, what we're going to do is to click on add new, and right here we just want to give it a simple category of personality quiz. And then for the description, I'm just going to copy a demo description here. It does not really fit in, but just to show you how it works. And then we're going to click on save and close. And now we're going to come to question categories, click on add new, and then we're going to use personality quiz for this also and paste in the same description. Then also click on save and close. Now the next thing we need to do is to add our questions. Now come to questions, and we have some demo questions there. What we're going to do is to delete all these three, come to bulk action and move them to trash. And I'm just going to show you how to create one question, and this is what you need to know on how to create a personality quiz type of question. You get? Now we're going to click on add new, and now for the question image, this is not really necessary. So if you want to add an image, you can just click on add image and put in your image. We're going to start from question. So the first question, if you remember, it says, what do you usually do on a free weekend? So I'm just going to copy that and paste it right here. Now we're going to leave the question type as radio, and we're going to come to answers. Now for the first option, I'm going to copy the option A, and then I'm going to paste it right here. I'm going to copy the second option and paste that one to right here. And we're going to copy the third option and paste that here too. Now to add one more option, I'm going to click on this plus icon and I'm going to copy the final option and paste that here. Now take notes, under this keyword, here is what we're going to do. For the first option, we're going to leave it as A, for the second one B, for the third one C, and then for the third one is going to be D, just like the way we do number our options, you get. Now we're going to choose at least one correct answer. It doesn't matter, this is just needed to move to the next stage. It does not matter what you tick as the correct option. This is a personality quiz, it does not really work like that. And then under the question category, we're going to choose personality quiz, and we're just going to click on save and close. So to make this tutorial faster, what I'm going to do is just import the questions I have with me. So I'm going to click on imports, and then I'm going to just drag in my question file here and click on import now. Alright, so I've already imported all my questions. Now what we're going to do now is to move to quizzes. So here we have a demo quiz. We can just move this one also to trash and click this blue add new. Alright, so for the title of our quiz, it is going to be what is your vibe? What's your vibe? Okay, so I'm going to paste that inside this box. Alright, now for the image, click on add image, and I'm just going to choose any image I find in my media library. It doesn't really matter. So let me go with this and insert into post. Now scroll down to the description. Let me just copy my description from here and paste it here. And for the category, we're going to choose personality quiz. Now it is time for us to insert questions. So click on this blue insert questions, and let's just insert all the questions we created earlier on. So click on select all and click on insert questions. Alright, so the questions have been inserted. If you want to arrange them, just drag this and rearrange them as you want, but we're going to leave our own just like this. Alright, so what we're going to do now is to click on save. Alright, it says your quiz is successfully created, and then we have this short code here. So just take note of this short code. You can copy it onto your clipboard. So let me just click on copy and then click on done. Now we're going to move to settings, and there are some few options we need to tick here. So for example, to create a post automatically whenever we create a quiz, we can tick this option. Okay, and let's keep on checking. For example, we show correct answer, we do not want to enable this, so just tick it off. All right, and also want to make the questions required, and let's see any other thing that we need to show. All right, let's show quiz category, let's show quiz author, and let's show the quiz creation dates. And I think we are done here. So click on save to save your progress. Alright, so as you can see under this place, under this section, our post has been created. So let's do one thing. Let's just right click on this and let's copy this link. When we are done with all the settings, we're going to paste in the link and take this quiz and see what we've created. Now let's move on to result settings. Okay, under result settings, we want to scroll down. I want to tick hide score because we don't need to show any score. And also want to tick on this restart button in case anybody wants to restart the quiz and find a new personality that they have. All right, and we also want to disable statistical average. Okay, and let's show the social buttons, and let's remove this one, and also let's enable social media links. Okay, so well, this doesn't really matter. Let's just remove this. Okay, now let's come down to intervals, and under intervals we're going to change this from by percentage to by keywords, and this is what we're going to be putting our personalities for each of the keywords. Remember, we set keywords A, B, C, and D. Now this is what we're going to be putting the personalities. All right, so for the option A, we have the fire starter. Let me just copy that and paste it here. And what we can do is also add an image or a GIF or anything you want to add. So just click on add, and I have 4 GIFs that I've already uploaded onto my website. So let me just choose fire starter, and for the second one we have the steady soul. So copy that and paste it right here. The steady soul, click on add, and we're going to just put in the gif there. And the third one, we have the deep diver, and click on add. All right, let's choose this. And lastly, we have the chill vibe, which was the one we got when we took the quiz earlier on. So let me put in the T, and let's add our chill guy meme. All right, insert into post. So everything is looking well. Just click on save and close. All right, so open up a new tab, and I'm going to open up my clipboard and just paste in our quiz. So we're just going to load up the quiz now, and let's see what we've created so far in this tutorial. Okay, so we have it here. We have the creation dates, we have the author, we have the category, and we have the image we uploaded, we have our title, we have our description, and we can start. All right, this time around, let's try to get a different personality. Okay, so what do you usually do on a free weekend? Chilling at home with movies. And what is your style? Simple and comfy. Next, how do your friends describe you? Let's say always full of ideas. Click on next. Pick a drink. About tea. And lastly, if you had a playlist, what will it be? Soft and relaxing. Now let's click on see results, and here we have it. We have the steady soul results. So this is how you can create a personality quiz for your website using THEWPBRO quiz maker plugin. And if you're interested in getting the plugin, don't forget it's going to be the first link in the description below. Click the link, and you're going to pick a plan that you want for yourself, be it the developer plan, be it the agency plan, and be it the business plan. So just choose any plan that you want, pay for it. And if you have any questions, any suggestions for me, anything I might have missed in this video, kindly leave them down in the description below. And also don't forget to watch the full tutorial that I uploaded about this plugin to learn how this plugin really works. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and also subscribe for future videos like this. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.